Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Galloway. I am the CEO of Design Marketing Company. Okay, if you need help and you are struggling online, need help where I got all the tools, me and my business partner, we can help you. We can get on a Zoom call and talk to you and see what you are struggling with. If you need help with that, please reach out to us. Please, and you want more information, contact me and I will send over the information, send over the link to you, and you can check the website out and see if it's for you. Okay? If you are ready to change your life and tired working a 9 to 5 job, tired working for a 9 to 5 job, and you want